Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Then again 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Now minus 3 times minus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, S means subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction also both have equal priority. Okay. So now let's solve according to the rule. So first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 1 minus 4. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So here is a 1 subtraction and here is a 1 multiplication. So second priority is multiplication. Therefore, we have to solve this part, okay? So 1, now minus 4 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 12, okay? Now 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. Therefore, the correct answer is 30. Okay? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.